Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can create to-do lists in your Pages in your plain project management application. So let us dive into this. So guys, you can add these to-do lists to your work items, as you probably know, here in your project and plain. Like for example, let me navigate to the work items, like these to-do lists here, for instance, with these columns for the given status. However, guys, you can do this also with your pages. So navigate to your workspace in the top left corner, after that to your project and select pages. Select the page you would like to edit. And what you will need to do, guys, is click into that text field here, press / and then simply select to-do list from that suggested menu here, or simply enter to, and you will see it here at the top of that list. So click into to-do list, and after that you will see that checkbox to the left, so that you may check the given task and also give your task a name, like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3. Press enter to get to the next point of your to-do list, 4, 5, 6, and select it or unselect it for the given task, and continue doing that. So by pressing enter, that's how you create a to-do list in your page on plain. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.